The third one is the A with two dots sound. It is pronounced ah. Now, one thing you might recognize about this A with two dots symbol is that it has, unsurprisingly, two dots on top of the A. Now, these two dots are sometimes referred to as umlauts, and I'm going to be talking about these in a separate video. But back. Alright, so let's go ahead. Examples include almanac. Alright, so as you can see, the word almanac has three A's in it, but the one we're looking at is the one that it begins with. The first A makes the A with two dots sound. And the last A also makes the A with two dots sound. Almanac. Ah, ah. Almanac. Alright, the next word is almond. Now, the word almond, just like almanac, also begins with the letter A. And the letter A makes the A with two dot sound. Almond, ah. The next word is palm. And this is your palm. Alright, anyways, as you can see here, the A in the word palm is in the middle of the word. And for some reason, the L is silent. But we're going to be talking about silent letters in another video. Anyways, the word palm. So, the letter A comes in the middle of the word. And, once again, the letter A makes the A with two dot sound. Palm. Ah. And just like that, the word watch also has the A in the middle of the word. And the letter A makes the A with two dot sound. As you can see, watch. Watch. Ah. So now, let's review what we've learned. We've just learned the A with two dot sound. It is pronounced ah and can come in the beginning and middle of a word. And examples include almanac, almond, palm, and watch.